5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is About Space, America's return to space. With news and information on the U.S. manned space program is your host of About Space, David Denard. Welcome, and thanks for joining me on this Christmas Eve 2019. It was on a Christmas Eve long ago in our galaxy, not far from Earth, were three pioneers. They would make man's first attempt to circle the moon. In 1968, Apollo 8 astronauts Frank Borman, Jim Lovell, and Bill Anders would come within 70 miles above the lunar surface, circling it several times. Their live broadcast from lunar orbit would capture the world. Their broadcast next on About Space Today. As Apollo 8 rounded the moon for a ninth time, Borman got the prime-time Christmas Eve broadcast started by...
It's now approaching lunar sunrise, and for all the people back on Earth, the crew of Apollo 8 has a message that we would like to send to you. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. And God saw the light, that it was good, and divided the light from the darkness. And God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And the evening and the morning were the first day. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." And God made the firmament, and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. And God called the firmament heaven. And the evening and the morning were the second day. And God said, "Let the waters under the heaven be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw that it was good. And from the crew of Apollo 8, we close with good night, good luck, a Merry Christmas, and God bless all of you on the good earth.
And shortly past midnight on Christmas morning, the crew of Apollo 8 ignited their engine to leave lunar orbit and start for home, telling Mission Control, "Please be informed there is a Santa Claus." From all of us at About Space Today, Merry Christmas, and may the good news be yours.